In this video, I will show you how you can check if your iPad is the Wi-Fi or the cellular model. Now there are three main methods to do so. For the first method, now just look at the back and at the frame of your iPad, and if you find any antenna cutouts on the frame of your iPad, then your iPad is the cellular model. As you can see, this iPad does not have any antenna cutouts. Now I will show you these cutouts on an iPhone. As you can see, the antenna cutouts will look something like this. If you find these cutouts in the frame of your iPad, then this indicates that your iPad is the cellular model. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About, and from here just scroll down and look for the Cellular section. As you can see, there is no data about the carrier log and about the cellular information in general. There is only the address of the Wi-Fi. But if your iPad is the cellular model, you will find the data for the carrier log, for the EID number, and the IMEI numbers. As you can see, we cannot find any of those data, which indicates that this is the Wi-Fi model. Now for the third and the last method, under the About section, just tap and hold on the serial number and copy it. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the Safari web browser. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, you can open any website to check the data of the serial number, but for now, I will open Apple's official website. After you open this website, then just scroll down and select your region. Then in this section, just paste the serial number which we have copied earlier. Then tap on Submit. And over here, it will give you the information of your iPad. Now, if your iPad is the Wi-Fi version, it will say Wi-Fi over here. Otherwise, it will not. And this is how you can tell if your iPad is the Wi-Fi or the cellular model. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.